Home Remedies presents Joint Pain? Try this one ingredient remedy. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today I am here to present you a great remedy for curing severe joint pains. Actually, this remedy is to be prepared as a shake that can be used both as a drink and can be applied topically on the affected area. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get complete information, and without any more wait, let's start. If you are suffering from knee pain, you will have a hard time walking and performing other tasks in life. Spending most of the time in bed is also uncomfortable. So I will tell you about a best natural treatment today that will get rid of all those unbearable pains and you will be able to walk and perform your life functions normally. As always, the best thing about this amazing remedy is that you will require only one ingredient, and that too you probably will find in your kitchen. People suffering from certain joint pain conditions like osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis can also use this very effective natural medicine remedy, which will not only assist to fight the joint pain but will also slow down the progression of the disease. Let's now prepare the remedy. Ingredients: 1 eggplant that is small in size, 1 liter of water. Preparation: wash the eggplant and cut into slices. Do not remove the peel. Boil the water in a pot. When it is boiled, remove from the heat and put the sliced eggplant in it. Let it cool. When at room temperature, strain it and store it in 2 parts. 750 ml in one container and 250 ml in another container. How to use: internal use. Divide the 750 ml into 3 shots to be taken throughout the day. 1 on empty stomach, the second before lunch and the third before sleeping. You can take this on alternate days. External use. Add 50 ml of olive oil in the 250 ml of the solution you have kept aside. Mix the ingredients well and apply on the painful areas, rubbing gently. You can apply it before going to sleep. After applying, you can cover the area with cloth and bandage it to keep it in place till morning. You can use this treatment whenever you feel the pain. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.